Hello, this is Mars. This video I want to share with you my new bot called Video CTR Turbo. Um, let's talk about what the benefit come with this bot. So this bot can help you to improve your video CTR. We all know CTR is really important. It's one of video ranking factor, and this bot can help you to improve and increase that. Not only that, this bot also can help you to improve the average view direction and also impression and views. Okay, here's a features come with this bot. So this bot basically every time when you start, it will randomly use it. Different browser operating systems, so basically it's kind of different user profile. So the YouTube won't be able to say, hey, yeah, it's always come from the same person and same computer, something like that. And also, this bot support proxy. So basically, every time you will use a different IP, so that way you can generate a unique view, and also definitely the most important thing will be improve your CTR. Okay, and if you have really a lot of video, want to improve the CTR, improve the view, this will also support multi-threading. So, but again, this all depends on how powerful your computer is, but definitely the bot support that. Okay, and then if you have more than one keyword, you want to kind of improve that, improve the CTR, improve the ranking. This bot also support this spin format, the keyword list, and then the bot will every time will randomly pick one of from your keyword list, and then go to search, and then we'll click your video. Okay. All right. So I also just let me pause the video. I want to share with you the case study and also the demo of this bot. Okay, so now I'm logged into one of my YouTube channel, and then I start run the campaign. I was a video CTR campaign from March 29th, and now it's April 5th. Okay, so I only run on this video, this kind of old video. It's a residential proxy. And then you can see the average view direction is at 239% because this video and the average view minute will be 2 minutes 59 seconds. But actually this video only 1 minute and 15 seconds. Okay, so let me click that one, and then you can see here. Okay, so impressions increase and impression click-through rate. You can see from March 29, is that's average, like that's original click-through rate for this video is 1.8%. And then I start a campaign, you can see the CTR increase and increase. And now it's average around like 8%. And now you can see immediate notice like April 2nd, April 3rd, it's down to 2-3%. I can share with you what happened to this. I still keep the bot running, but because I want to reduce the proxy usage, I add different add the proxy from the different vendor. Is from Blazing proxy, and then I found out, wow, yeah, the proxy come from that vendor is really fast, but for some reason YouTube doesn't like it, and you can see everything I keep the same setting, but you can see the CTR is kind of down to 3%, around 2 to 3%. And then I found out, and then I just use another proxy from different vendor. You can see immediately the CTR improve, and then jump to the roof that how much, like 32%. Okay, yeah, 32% CTR. Okay, and then you can see impression improve, and then view. You also can see the same thing. Yeah, here and then down to this. That in the beginning, I use a Storm proxy, Storm residential proxy, and during this time frame, and then the Blazing proxy mixed with a Storm proxy. But you can see right here, it's actually the views doesn't look that good. And then start April 4th or 5th, I would say April 4th. I use a different proxy vendor, and then you can see immediately jump up. Okay, all right. So that is the case study. You can see the CTR improve a lot because you can say improved 158%. Okay, so let me just pause the video again, and then I will connect to one of my server, and then you can see the bot. Okay, so now I connect to one of my server. Let me show you the video info file first. So this is the file we let the bot know what video we want to improve the CTR, and also what keyword for each video we want it to search. So for example, this one, the first video, and we just enter the YouTube URL, and then the column B will be the keyword. So this bot also supports the spinning format. So if you have more than one keyword you want the bot to search, you can use this type of format to that bot know. And every time you will randomly pick one of this keyword and search it. Okay, so right now I'm just use two video to be sample here. Okay, so now let me show you the bot. Okay, so first let me show you the setting page. So the bot is really simple to use. So first you just look at the video info file I just showed you. The second one, you just locate your proxy file. So it will be the text file, and then either you want to save the log or not. If you want, also need to choose the folder to save the log file. Okay, so now let me start the bot. Okay, also change the list. Okay, so the bot is just starting now. Okay, go to here. So it will try to connect to the proxy, and then we'll go to this website, try to randomly. So basically, actually, this website will let us know what browser and also what OS currently we use. And this, you also can see, go to the YouTube, search the best residential proxy, and found that video and click that video. Okay, so now the bot is start watching the video. Okay, and here I also want to mention there's a secret recipe, not created by me actually. I learned it from Holly. So basically what it does is, let me show here, you can see right this time it's random repeat time. So you will repeat from 2 to 5 times. So within the same, I would say same section, the bot will automatically watch this video around like 85% to 95%, and then it depends how many times you need to repeat. It will scroll, basically will scroll the bar to from the 0 second to maybe 2 or 3 seconds randomly. Basically, you use mouse to drag that play bar from the beginning and repeat it. So this kind of special ingredient basically can help you to improve your CTR. Not only improve like the percentage, also, well, like for example, if you repeat 2 times, means will be this your CTR will be 200%, something like that. So again, this is a secret ingredient, but actually, I cannot take the credit because I learned it from Holly. Okay, so now we just wait a little bit, and then you can see. I just want to see the bot will go back to from the beginning and watch this video again. Okay, and then this bot, every time when the bot starts running or improving your video, first will detect how long this video is. So and then it will automatically calculate how much time you need to watch. So you don't need to enter, like, I know sometimes the video is short, sometimes video long, but the bot will automatically, it will always detect. You can see now, yeah, the video start from the beginning. Okay, let me show you here. Yeah, it's too fast. So start from the beginning and then watch it again. And since this time the bot only want to repeat 2 times, again, it will randomly, every time is a difference, it will randomly choose what's the repeat time. So yeah, so that's about it. And then also I want to show you here, this is support multi-thread. So if you want to run more than one thread, you just need to change the method of thread number. And then for example, right now I want 2. So you should be able to open another window, and then basically we'll get the video URL from your list. Definitely need to more than two. So just wait a little bit, and we can check here. You can see now. You open another video. Okay, just wait a little bit, and again go through the same process. Go to this. Okay, and then we'll collect all the information. Put the note here so you can see. Yeah, now it's a GMB CTR Turbo, and then the browser H18 on Windows, and then that is the IP address we get this time. Okay, let's scroll down, and now it's start. Oh, this time also repeat times 2. So basically, you will watch this video around 80 to 90% and go back. So since this video is kind of long, you can see this 11 minutes. I don't want you to keep watching this, but I just want to show you the couple key features this bot has. Okay, so now let me pause the video and then go back to the presentation file. Okay, so now you just watch the you just check the case study and also watch the bot demo. So how about the price? Okay, so the price for this bot is $97 one-time fee, and then every month is the $15. It includes all the upgrades. If you to change the user interface or something like that, or any new feature coming out, I will add to the bot, and then you will have it. You always have the latest version of this video CTR bot. Okay, so that's all I have. Thank you so much for watching this video, and hope to see you later. Bye.